Hi, I'm Ryan from ExtremeTerrain, and today I'm here with Magnaflow's Rock Crawler catback exhaust system for your 2018 and up Wrangler JL. This is going to be for the off-roading enthusiast that's looking to upgrade their JL with some power and sound. As far as installation goes, I'm going to give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches, since you can install this in under an hour using simple hand tools. This system is going to be ideal for those difficult off-road drives and for anyone who doesn't want their exhaust to hang low and contact rocks. With this system, you get a high quality kit for a reasonable price. As far as sound goes, I'm going to give this a 3 out of 5, since this will add an aggressive tone to your JL, however it won't be too overbearing. This is an easy bolt-on that comes as a complete kit, requires no modification or cutting, and will reuse all those factory hangers. With that being said, let's hop into the install. To begin this install, we must first lift our vehicle up in the air. So first step for this install, we're going to remove this muffler. We're going to begin by loosening this band clamp using a 15mm socket. Then we'll pull the hangers out, get the muffler off. So next we're going to remove the exhaust hanger mounts using a 13mm socket. There's going to be 2 bolts holding each mount. Now we're going to support our muffler and get that last bolt out, which is going to free up that hanger, and then we can wiggle it off of our exhaust. So next we're going to move up to the clamp next to our transfer case. We're going to use a 13mm to loosen that up. Now we're ready to remove this exhaust hanger. Then we can pull the rest of the exhaust out of the Jeep. So we're just about ready to install our new system. However, since I have it next to the stock one, I just want to go over some of the features and do a little comparison. Now this Rock Crawler kit is going to be a high clearance kit with a single rear exit. So it's going to maintain that factory look, however it's going to keep it tucked up in the Jeep and free from hitting rocks and such. This kit is designed to be a direct bolt-on and will reuse the factory hanger locations. This muffler is made of high-quality stainless steel that's not only going to last a long time, but it's straight through, so it's going to improve power and sound. Now this new system is going to locate the muffler where the original resonator was, and it's going to delete that big muffler in the back. Now with that being said, let's get this system installed. So we're going to need to remove this hanger and install it on our new exhaust. So we're going to begin by installing our muffler. We're going to reuse our factory V-clamp. Once we have that on, we're going to support our muffler so we can assemble the rest. Next, we're going to take our straight section of exhaust, place a clamp on it, and slide it onto our muffler. Next, we're going to take our over the axle section, place a clamp on it, slide that on the pipe, and then we'll need to insert this into the hanger. So next we're going to take our tailpipe, make sure to place your clamp on, then we're going to go over our sway bar and connect these 2 pipes. So now we're going to tighten up our band clamps and torque them to 45 foot-pounds. We're going to use a 15mm socket to tighten these up. Next, we're going to tighten up our V-clamp, and that's going to get torqued to 70 inch-pounds. Well, that wraps up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at ExtremeTerrain.com.